in ministry, we do a lot of pastoral care one-on-one. Someone comes to see us, or we go out and have coffee and talk about something really in-depth and meaningful. Is there a way a youth worker can facilitate that level of depth in a small group or in some kind of programmatic ministry that they were setting up? Is there a way to kind of infuse that into a group setting, whether it be a Bible study or a discussion group or even on a mission trip, something like that?
Oh, yes. I think it's very important to try to do that, to infuse that sense of presence, or that we're here for a reason. This is a group that's a little different from the other groups you belong to. So when you do engage in an activity, for example, say you go on a mission trip to help clean up after a hurricane or something, it's important to have some time to reflect on that experience, and it may be in the van on the way home, just asking a few questions, making sure to take the time to think about, well, what does this mean, right? How did you feel doing that work? What does this mean that people are suffering this much? And so I think, yes, it's important to invite young people to reflect and to talk with each other. Sometimes if you have a group meeting, you can ask them to just turn to the person next to them and say a little bit about, say, their experience of whatever it is you're studying or thinking about together, their opinion, and then having time in a larger group to reflect back so that people can hear each other's stories. And it may be really that the youth are able to help each other more than we can, because they are they're in a similar position. In narrative pastoral care, we say they have insider knowledge. Okay. So they, if you could say someone's been through something tough, how did you get through that? How did you get through that experience? When we were there cleaning up after the hurricane, and the smell of mold was heavy, and we were hungry and we were tired. How did you keep going? And if you ask different people, they have resources, right? But they sometimes don't even know it, right? But they can learn by saying it out loud, and then also by hearing what other kids say.
Sure. Yeah, that's great.